Wow, the car show's already packed up and gone. We missed the car show. Oh well, just like in Daytona. $29 for a chainsaw. $15 for a chainsaw. How you doing, guys? Actually, I should go. That guy was selling titles for $25, $30, $40. I should get his phone number. Had a lot of bikes here too. We didn't make the car show. There's nothing in here. They're all gone. Did you see the cars in the video? I don't know. There was a lot of cars over here. This field was pretty filled with cars, and I just walked right by it. And now it's empty. Well, let's see if I can get this guy's phone number, see if he can help me with some title issues. Cape Cod Cuda signing out. Thanks for watching. There's not a car in there. And the stuff's like all cleared up too. So hopefully somebody wrote down my phone number on the Cuda. This wasn't a wasted trip. Thanks for watching.